Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to set up an Outlook distribution list in under 5 minutes. This walkthrough is ideal for streamlining your email workflow, particularly if you frequently message the same group of people. By establishing a contact group, you can send mass emails quickly without manually entering every address. Let's begin. To start, navigate to the Outlook web portal. If you aren't signed in, visit the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. Accessing your account is the first vital step for managing these lists. Once there, locate the prominent Sign-in button. Enter your login details and have your two-factor authentication ready, whether it's an app or a text code. Taking these security measures ensures your data remains protected. After logging in, head to the Mail area where your messages are stored. On the left sidebar, browse the available tabs for the Groups or People option. This section is where you handle contact management and initiate new lists. Select the New Group button to trigger a setup window where you will define your list's parameters. Outlook will ask for specific details for your new group. Assign a clear name so you can identify its purpose later. You can also include a brief description, which is helpful if you maintain several different lists. Once you've filled in these fields, hit the Create button. This action generates the list, though it will be empty until you add participants. Now, let's populate the group. Click Add Members to begin inputting email addresses. As you type, Outlook might suggest contacts from your history. Pick the correct individuals to include them. You have full control here to ensure accuracy. If you need to stop or gather more info, you can choose Not Now to save your progress and finish the list later. That's all there is to it. You have now configured an Outlook distribution list. Moving forward, simply type the group's name into the recipient box to message everyone at once. This method significantly boosts efficiency for team communications. Remember to update your lists occasionally to keep them current. If you face any difficulties, consult Microsoft's official support for specific troubleshooting. Thanks for watching and enjoy your improved email experience.